Are you interested in stories which sounds made up but are real? If you do, subscribe to this channel to hear different weird stories regularly. Nowadays, almost everyone knows about Albert Einstein, a German-born theoretical physicist which is one of the greatest and the most influential physicists of all time. His two developed theories, theory of relativity and theory of quantum mechanics, are the two pillars of modern physics. So what kind of unbelievable story has happened to him? Well, this video is not about him, but his brain. Albert Einstein died on April 18 in 1955 in Princeton, New Jersey, at the age of 76. His brain was removed within 7.5 hours of his death by the pathologist Dr. Thomas Harvey, by his own initiative, so that he could try to determine the origins of that Einstein's intelligence. The removed brain weighed over 1,200 grams and was divided into 240 pieces by Dr. Harvey. Then he stored them in 2 mason jars filled with celloidine. Yet, not only did Harvey take the brain, but he also removed the eyeballs and gave them to Henry Abrams, who was Einstein's ophthalmologist. It is also unbelievable how Dr. Thomas Harvey managed to convince Einstein's son, Hans Albert, to let him keep the brain. Seems very irrational for me. What do you think? Of course, Doctor's behavior did have the consequences. He lost his job, then his marriage, then he moved to Midwest. He was carrying Einstein's brain with him, hoping one day he would unlock the secrets of physicists' intelligence. No one knew the fate of Einstein's brain until 1978, when Harvey was tracked out by the journalist Stephen Levi in Wichita, Kansas. After this incident was revealed, many scientists requested for the samples of Einstein's brain to study. In 1985, these studies claimed to find some differences between a normal person's brain and Einstein's, but many scientists find these studies suspect because neurology still has not determined whether the physical structures of brain actually affect a person's intelligence. Every person's brain is unique and different with brain features, so researching only 1 or 2 geniuses' brains are not enough to prove something with certainty. Today, remains of Einstein's brain are kept in Plainsboro, New Jersey, at the University Medical Center of Princeton. Nobody is allowed to take any sample, but thanks to Dr. Thomas Harvey's habit of giving the samples to his friends, many samples of Einstein's brain are scattered across America. It must also be said that scientists are keeping some other geniuses' brains, who are Vladimir Lenin, the mathematician Sofia Kovalenskaya, Charles Babbage, who invented the computing machine, and the other more. Thank you for watching this video, and if you find any mistakes, please let me know in the comment section.